Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to create an attractive and unique PowerPoint title slide design. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. First, let's add a stunning nature image to our slide. Right click, go to Format Background, click on Picture or Texture Fill, insert picture from Files, select and insert it. Select the oval shape, drag it on the slide. Duplicate the shape, go to Format, change the color, reduce the size, then align middle. Go to the Format tab, click on Merge Shape and choose Subtract. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Select the rectangle shape and drag it. Click on Edit Points, select Edit Points. Select the rectangle shape again. Select both. Click on Merge Shapes and choose Subtract. Next, let's insert a wave shape. Select the wave shape, draw it at the bottom of the slide. Duplicate 2 or 3 times. Click on Merge Shape and choose Union. Select the rectangle shape, drag it. Now, duplicate it and drag it like this. Select both. Click on Merge Shape and choose Subtract. Select all. Click on Merge Shape and choose Union. Change the color from Shape Fill. Duplicate the shape. Select both. Click on Merge Shape and choose Fragment. Delete unwanted parts. Now, select them and change the color. Duplicate this shape. Right click, go to Format Shape and increase transparency to 35. Make its transparency up to 25. Next, let's add the title text and subtitle. Now, click on Slideshow. And that's it for the today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create this attractive and unique PowerPoint title slide design. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Aksharika Tutorials for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching.